So guys, after studying about the basic SI units, let's talk about accuracy and precision. Now, after studying the different type of units for different physical quantities and their conversion factors, let us discuss about the measurements. Now let us suppose you are measuring a 5 centimeter length, that is of stick, right? If you are measuring 5 centimeter, you may get 4.999 centimeter, or you may get 5.0001 centimeter, but there will be some error in that particular measurement. Now we have to know that what is the reason of that particular error and how to avoid that error. Now there are two reasons. Basically, first is the human error, second is the error in that particular instrument or that particular scale which you are taking to measure that particular length. So how to avoid these errors? Let's find out. First we have to know about accuracy and precision. Now, precision. Precision means how closely the individual measurements. Now, it is individual measurements agree with one another. It means that when you are measuring a length, you are getting some values. How much those values are close to each other? If they are very close to each other, they will be very precise. If they are not close to each other, they will be less precise. And the another word is accuracy. So accuracy means how closer the experimental measurements. Experimental measurement means the measurements we are doing. And the exact value will be always given to you. And you have to judge you are getting that value by experiment or not. If you are getting that value by experiment, that means your experiments are accurate. You are getting the accurate value. If you are not getting, then your measurements are not accurate. Let us understand by an experiment. Now you can clearly see from here, this is a stick having length 2 centimeters. Now, there is an experiment which is performed by two students. There is one student A and student B, and they are finding out or they are measuring that particular length of 2 centimeter of that particular stick. So length is in centimeter. They are getting three values as they are performing three experiments or they are measuring three times that particular length. So student A is getting 1.95 centimeter, 2.01 centimeter, 2.04 centimeter, and definitely there is some error in it, right? And student B is getting 1.99 centimeter, 2.01 centimeter and 2.02 centimeter. Again, student B is doing some error, or the error may be of the instrument or the human error, we don't know. But we want to know what is the actual difference between accuracy and precision, right? Let's examine their values carefully. The difference between, or you can say the gap between the values of A is more and the gap between the values of B is less. It means that B is more precise because the length is 1.99, 2.01, 2.02. They are very close to each other. So the individual values are very close to each other. Therefore, student B is more precise than student A. Let's talk about accuracy. Now they have got three values, both of them. What they will do? They will find the mean of it. So for student A, student A, the mean length he is finding, let us suppose it is L1, and that is equal to, let's find out, 1.95. So 1.95 plus 2.01 plus 2.04. 2.01 plus 2.04, and it will be whole divided by 3, right? So if we solve it, we will get that is equal to 2 centimeter, right? Now for student B, now for the student B, you can say that let the mean length is L2, and that is equal to, if we see the lengths, that is 1.99, so we will write here 1.99 plus, it is 2.01, 2.01 plus 2.02, as whole divided by 3, and if you solve it, you will get 2.006 centimeter. Now guys, what was the length of the stick? The length of the stick was 2 centimeter. A is accurate, B is not accurate, right? If we talk about accuracy, accuracy of A is more. If we talk about the precision, in that case we have to see the values. These values we have already discussed. B is more precise, or the value of B, student B, is more precise than the value of student A. So this is the actual difference between the accuracy and precision. Let's study about significant figures.